Hey guys, let's add some bicycles. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bicycles. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little bicycles. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little bicycles. 10 little bicycles. Great job! Now let's count backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little bicycles. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little bicycles. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little bicycles. 1 little bicycle. 1 bicycle. 2 bicycles. 3 bicycles. 4 bicycles. 5 bicycles. 6 bicycles. 7 bicycles. 8 bicycles. 9 bicycles. 10 bicycles. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bicycles. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little bicycles. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little bicycles. 10 little bicycles. Backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little bicycles. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little bicycles. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little bicycles. 1 little bicycle. That was fun. Thanks for counting with me. Whoa! Look at that! Let's count those tractors. 1
Nasty.
little, 2 little, 3 little tractors. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little tractors. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little tractors. 10 little tractors.
Ha? Mama nak suap. Macam mana Mama nak bagi kamu duduk?
Let's count them backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little tractors.
Mama suap.
7 little, 6 little, 5 little tractors. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little tractors.
Ya.
1 little tractor.
Oh, panas.
1 tractor. 2 tractors. 3 tractors. 4 tractors. 5 tractors. 6 tractors. 7 tractors. 8 tractors. 9 tractors.
Ya.